Today we'll learn histology of thymus. If you see this diagram, you can clearly see that the thymus is covered by a capsule. Thymus is divided into a number of lobules. The capsule of the thymus dips inside at points, taking along the blood vessels with it, and this is known as trabeculae. This is a single lobule of thymus. This is the cortex, whereas this is the common medullary region. The cortex of the thymus has been divided into a number of parts by the trabeculae, but they all share a common medulla. The very main differentiating feature of the thymus is the presence of Hessel's corpuscle. So you can clearly see Hessel's corpuscle here. If we look at a diagram from BTC, you can clearly appreciate the Hessel's corpuscle, a common medulla, and the cortex, which has been divided into a number of parts by the trabeculae. Coming back to the slide of thymus, so this is the slide of thymus. When we focused it on 10x, we can appreciate the Hessel's corpuscle here. Also, we can see the different lobules in which the thymus is divided. We can also clearly appreciate the Hessel's corpuscle in 40x. So what exactly are Hessel's corpuscle? So Hessel's corpuscles are made up of concentric lamellae of epithelial cells surrounding the hyaline mass. To sum this up, let's just look at the identifying points. Thymus is made up of lymphoid tissue arranged in the form of distinct lobules. So you can clearly appreciate the lobules of the thymus here. Presence of this lobulation enables easy distinction of the thymus from all other lymphoid organs like spleen, palatine, tonsil, and lymph node, as lobules are only present in thymus. The lobules are partially separated from each other by connective tissue septa. So this is the connective tissue septa separating the different lobules. In each lobule, an outer darkly stained cortex and an inner lightly stained medulla are present. So this is the darkly stained cortex, whereas this is the light stained medulla. Whereas the cortex is confined to one lobule, the medulla is continuous from one lobule to another. So all the cortex have a common medulla. The medulla contains pink staining rounded masses known as corpuscle of Hessel. So in this medullary region, you can appreciate Hessel's corpuscles, which is a very main differentiating feature of thymus. So this was all about thymus. Thank you.